Hello guys, I'm Antonis Tzanidakis, aka Sir Vagabond, and I'm here to present you my new collection, Master of Magic. The Master of Magic is a universe where Gothic meets ethereal, where darkness and light dance in shades of fuchsia, turquoise, and magenta. Each piece is a visual spell, a door to the mystical, extraordinary. A tribute to magic in its most vibrant and powerful form. Are you ready to unleash your own spell? I cannot wait to see all your magical creations. All the products are now available around the world. Go grab them and create some magic. Thank you very much for everything. See you very soon. Enjoy my collection and many kisses.